If you are here, it is because your guardian angel has an important message for you about someone from your past who hurt your feelings. This person is now facing the consequences of their actions, and I want you to know this. Throughout your life, you have experienced highs and lows. You, like all of us, have felt the pain of romantic disappointment. Now, he reflects on his past actions and deeply regrets the pain he caused you. In his solitude, he struggles with the memories of how he toyed with your feelings, abused your kindness, and ignored your loyalty, all for his own selfish reasons. Waves of regret flood his mind, constantly reminding him of the pain he caused. He wishes he could turn back time and change the future, but he knows the scars he left are deep. Every day, he feels the weight of his actions more, realizing that his immaturity and selfishness led him to lose someone so special and valuable. This person who played with your emotions in a thoughtless and selfish manner now deeply desires your forgiveness. He dreams of a future where he can have the chance to repay his emotional debts, where he can sincerely apologize and show true remorse for his past mistakes. He believes that by doing so, he might find redemption and perhaps a second chance to prove that he has changed. He hopes you can find it in your heart to forgive him, recognizing the genuine regret he feels. This person aspires to a future where he can demonstrate that he has learned from his mistakes and has grown as a person. He wants to be someone worthy of your friendship, someone you can consider part of your life again, even if in a different way. However, he is aware that this decision is not in his hands, but in yours. Your guardian angel is offering you this vision to help you make an informed and fair decision. You have learned to love and respect yourself more, to know what you deserve, and to seek happiness on your own terms. You have surrounded yourself with positivity and kindness, surrounding yourself with people who appreciate you for who you are. Your journey so far has been full of challenges, but also accomplishments. You have become someone who values your own peace and well-being above all else. If he tries to come back into your life, remember that you are not obligated to change anything. Your life is yours, independent of him, and will continue to be, regardless of his remorse or apologies. He cannot and will not disrupt the stability you have created unless you allow it. Your peace and well-being come first. If you choose to let him back in, that is also a valid decision. You have the right to accept his apologies, to forgive him, or even to decide to rebuild the relationship, but only if that is what you truly want. It is your decision and should serve your peace, your happiness, and your future. The most important thing to remember is that you hold the power here. The control of your life and your future is in your hands, not his. His remorse, whether genuine or not, his desire to make amends, his hope for forgiveness, all of this is secondary to your well-being and your peace of mind. You are protected by the universe, surrounded by people who love and respect you. You are strong, capable, and deserving of the best. Your life is full of possibilities and new beginnings, and you have the strength to make choices that serve your greatest good. Whether this involves forgiving or not is entirely up to you. You have been through a lot and have learned valuable lessons along the way. These lessons have shaped you into who you are today, a stronger, more resilient, and wiser person. Your guardian angel wants you to know that all these experiences, both good and bad, have contributed to your personal growth and development. You are no longer the person you were when he left you. You have grown and evolved in ways he may never fully understand. You have found a new sense of purpose, new confidence, and a new outlook on life that allows you to look to the future with hope and enthusiasm. Your emotional and mental well-being is the priority now, and any decision you make should reflect that. If you decide to forgive him, do it because it is the best for you, because it will bring peace to your heart and allow you to move forward without resentment. Forgiveness can be a powerful tool for healing, but it must be granted by you and for you. If you decide not to forgive, that is also a powerful and valid choice. You have the right to protect your emotional space and to move forward in the way that best serves you. Always remember that you are the most important person in your life. Your needs, desires, and happiness are fundamental. Continue to surround yourself with people who love and support you, who value you for who you are. These people are the true pillars of your life, and it is on them that you should lean as you make your decisions. The presence of these people around you strengthens you, offering invaluable emotional support. They help you remember your worth and encourage you to move forward, even in the most difficult moments. Your guardian angel is by your side, offering unconditional guidance and support. He is always present, whispering words of encouragement and reminding you that you are not alone. Use this vision as a tool to reflect on what is best for you. Allow yourself to feel the celestial support and the calming presence he brings. Do not let the actions of someone from the past negatively influence your present or future life. You have the right to be happy, to find peace, and to continue growing. The journey you have traveled so far has been full of challenges, but also of achievements. Every obstacle overcome has made you stronger and more prepared for what is to come. Whatever your decision, know that you deserve the best. You are an incredible person with a heart of gold, and the universe is conspiring in your favor. There are many good things reserved for you, and you have the strength and courage to face them with wisdom and grace. Trust in your ability to make decisions that benefit your life and well-being. So, take a deep breath knowing that, whatever happens next, you are in control and will make the best decision for yourself. This is a moment of personal empowerment. Recognize how much you have grown and how much more you can grow. The lessons you have learned along the way are valuable tools that will guide you to a bright future. Remember that every choice you make should be for your benefit, your peace, and your happiness. Lean on those who love you, listen to the wisdom of your guardian angel, and move forward with confidence. Life is full of possibilities and new opportunities. Open yourself to what is to come, knowing that you have the inner strength to face any challenge. Your resilience and determination are your greatest allies. You deserve to be happy and find peace in all areas of your life. The people who truly love you are by your side, ready to support you every step of the way. And most importantly, you are by your own side, knowing your needs and respecting your desires. This self-understanding and self-appreciation are essential to building a full and satisfying life. The universe has many wonderful surprises in store for you. Keep your heart open and your mind focused on the good things that are coming. You have the power to transform your dreams into reality and create a life full of love, joy, and fulfillment. Do not underestimate your power to change your life for the better. Take a deep breath and feel the inner peace that comes from recognizing your own worth. The decision to forgive or not, to move forward or to open a new chapter, is yours and should be made with serenity and certainty. Trust your intuition and the guidance of your guardian angel. Believe in your ability to make decisions that will bring lasting happiness and peace. You are strong, courageous, and deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Keep moving forward, knowing that the best is yet to come. The future is bright and full of possibilities for those who have the courage to dream and the determination to make those dreams come true. Believe in yourself and in the blessings that are on their way. You are in control of your destiny, and the journey is yours to explore and enjoy. I want to end with a prayer for you. Lord, may your divine guidance continue to illuminate the path of this precious soul. Grant her the strength to navigate through the memories of past pains, helping her to find peace within herself. Give her the necessary wisdom to understand her invaluable worth, allowing her to see that the past actions of others do not define her future. Inspire her to fully trust in her journey, valuing the love and respect she has cultivated within and around her. Amid decisions and uncertainties, may her heart remain firm and unwavering, radiating the serenity she has found within. Bless her with the courage to make decisions that truly serve her highest good, while embracing the past, present, and future with hope and determination. May she continue to feel your unlimited love and protection in every step she takes. May she know that she is not alone, that your divine presence is always by her side, guiding and protecting her. May her heart be filled with confidence and tranquility, knowing that she is worthy of all the love and happiness that life has to offer. Continue to surround this precious soul with your infinite love and constant protection. May she feel your divine embrace at all times, especially in the most challenging moments. May she find comfort and strength in your presence, knowing that you are always there, caring for her and guiding her with wisdom and love. Amen. Take a moment to let these words resonate within you. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 777 to claim this message and the blessings it contains. To help increase your blessings, share this video with your groups and others who might also benefit from the blessings and help in this video. An important message awaits you in the next video. I hope every word has touched your heart and that you have found inspiration and comfort in our messages of love and hope. Always remember that you are not alone on this journey, and that a higher power is watching over you every step of the way. Share this message with your loved ones, bring light to those in darkness, and be an agent of positive change. May God be with you, and stay tuned for the next video of faith, peace, and comfort. Amen.